Hello everyone, it's me Ujwala. Welcome back to my beautiful channel Ujwala Creations. The COVID-19 pandemic situation has posed several changes in the education sector. One among them being how to conduct exam during this crisis. For some students, taking an online exam is a new thing, or it can be a bluffing experience. Want to ace your online exams? Then I'm going to share with you 8 awesome and very effective tips to tackle your exams. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Read and understand your online test guidelines. Don't wait till the last minute to read the instructions. First of all, be sure that you can answer these questions as fast as possible. Number 1. Do you have to take your exams at a specific time, or you can start at any time that day? If you know the answer, perfect. Number 2. How much time will you have to complete your online test? Is it 1 hour, 2 hour, or half an hour? If you know the answer, then great. Number 3. What kind of questions will your teacher use on the exam? Is it like multiple choice, fill in the blanks, short answers, or essays? These questions must be clear before the exams. Tip number 2. Test preparation. Studying the day before your test or studying the last minute with lots of stress and anxiety? You may get panicked regarding what to study, what to do, how to study. No. So, start your exam preparation a few weeks before your exam timetable. Write down how many exams you have, how many chapters you have to finish, and the days you have left, etc. Afterwards, organize your study habits accordingly. Work hard as you can. Study hard, and at the end, surprise others. You can do it! Tip number 3. Check your computer and internet speed. Check and recheck that your computer, phone or laptop is working properly before you schedule online test. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is good and working properly. Tip number 4. Choose the location wisely. Choose a quiet place for your online exams. Close the door and windows to avoid distractions. Turn off your television, email, or other notifications, or keep them in a silent mode. Let your family members and your naughty or cute siblings know that you're giving an online test, and ask them not to interrupt during the exam. Tip number 5. Gather all that you need to take in the test. If you have materials such as books, water bottle, or writing implements with you, be sure that they are set to go. Tip number 6. Take a deep breath once you're logged in. Take a moment, relax, and get focused. Tip number 7. Technical problems? Don't panic, but do contact your teacher or instructor immediately, detailing the exact problem that occurred. If you can take a screenshot, that is helpful as well. Tip number 8. Check your work before you submit. Ensure that every answer is complete as well as your spelling and grammar, and submit it. Dear friends, I wish you all the very best for exams and do well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends. For more study related and creative tips, subscribe to my beautiful channel Ujwala Creations. See you in my next video.